Challenges to face when renting landed property in Singapore. Renting a landed property in Singapore can provide homebuyers with a great deal of space, security and privacy. However, there are several challenges, such as cost, availability and maintenance, which homebuyers need. Cost is one of the biggest challenges of renting a landed property in Singapore. Landed properties typically come with a higher price tag compared to other residential properties, such as condos and HDB. As a result, homebuyers need to be prepared to pay a higher upfront cost and a higher monthly. Availability can be another challenge of renting a landed property in Singapore. Landed properties, such as semi-detached homes, terraced homes, and bungalows, are much more scarce than other residential properties, such as condos and As a result, homebuyers may have a harder time finding the perfect property. Maintenance is another challenge of renting a landed property in Singapore. Unlike other residential properties, such as condos and HDB flats, landed properties are not managed by a property manager. This means that homebuyers need to be prepared to handle their own maintenance and repair tasks. Renting a landed property in Singapore can be a great choice for those looking for extra space, security, and However, potential renters should be aware of the cost, availability, and amount of maintenance such properties